All right, all right, all right. Back with another one. So we all know Screencast-o-matic is causing problems. It's misbehaving. So I think it's in timeout. Don't know how long, but it's been bad, boy. All right, so there's an option that you can do. It's called Screen-cast-o-matic. Now, the good thing is you don't have to sign into anything, okay? So you just search up Screen-cast-o-matic, right? So you search up in Google, right? And then click on Screen Recorder. And I would bookmark this. You'll know why in a second. Right? I'm going to add the bookmark to it. So you hit the star, and then you decide where you want to put it. And then you're just going to hit Launch Free Recorder. Okay. So now I'm on a Mac because the Screencast-o-matic only works with my Mac for some reason. Okay. But basically, it looks pretty much the same on the actual recording looks the same. It's just that it might look a little different for you, like the bottom taskbar, okay? So it'll say launch free recorder, and then on the Windows it'll say downloading, and then when all is done, you'll get this right here, okay? You get this little grid thingy here, right? And then you just hit record, okay? And then go about your business. It doesn't, when you use it on a Windows, it doesn't take you to your home screen, like to your desktop screen. It stays within the web page you are in. For some reason, Mac, it doesn't. It's weird. But then you just go, and then you just do what you got to do. When you're done, okay, when you're done, you just hit pause, okay, and, obviously, you hit done. And then I would go to save and upload, okay? Now, don't save it. Don't upload it to YouTube or Google Drive. Just save it as a video file, right? Because you don't want to link these two to your account, because you just want to have the video and then upload it yourself, not directly, because you don't want to link them because privacy issues. So just save it as a video file, okay? And then once you do that, right, you can change the file name right here. All right, you can choose what folder you want to put it in your machine. Okay. Notice how my Mac is taking a long time. I do not like this. That's the only thing I could do to make screencasts. So right now I'm just talking. There we go. All right, and then you pick where you want to put it. I'll just put it in the downloads folder. Okay. Right there. Okay. And then you just hit publish. Right? So it's going to download it to your machine, and from there, you could upload it into Google Drive. You could upload it into your classroom, whatever you want, all right? And that, my friends, is how you use Screencast-o-matic. So for future screencasts, right, the reason I told you to bookmark it, so that you could just click on it, right, and then go right to the website and hit Launch Free Recorder and do it all over again, all right? Any questions, anything goes wrong, book me, email me. All right? Have a great day.